I'm Charlotte, registered nutritionist, and I'm here with Superdrug today to show you how you can create some super simple, healthy recipes at home. Today I'm going to make a no added sugar apple crumble recipe. This is really simple and easy to make at home, and it's perfect for the whole family. For this recipe today, I am using cooking apples, but actually for those of you at home, you can use any kind of apples that you like, and actually it might be a good idea to use extra sweet apples. Once the apples are all peeled, I'm going to add around 50 mils of water to the pan and put this on the heat. It's a good idea to try and add the apples to the water as you go along. If you do that, you can get a nice texture at the end where you've got some crunchy apples and some smoother apples in the final dish. So I'm going to just put this on a medium heat. Next, I'm going to move on to chopping the apples. Now, when I chop the apples for an apple crumble, I really like to chop them in medium size or irregular chunks. And the reason for that is because, again, you get a really nice texture in the end of the dish. So I'm going to just take these and pop them into the pan. So now that the apples are nicely cooking, I am going to chop some dates. Dates are great as they add natural sweetness to something like an apple crumble. And also using dried fruits such as dates helps to add vitamins and minerals and a little bit of fibre to the dish too. Pop these into the pan as well. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And the cinnamon is great too because it just brings out a little bit more of that sweetness in the final dish. And I'm going to let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to make the crumble. And it's really simple and just a matter of adding a few ingredients. I'm going to start with some butter, flour, and with some oats. Add zest of half an orange to the top of this dish too. Because this doesn't have any added sugar in it, it's a really good idea to add a little bit of extra flavour. Now that all the ingredients are in the bowl, I'm just going to mix them together. So you want the mixture to finally look a little bit like breadcrumbs when you've finished it. And that's when you know that your mixture is ready to put on top of your apples. Once the crumble topping is done, I'm just going to combine the ingredients into an oven-proof dish. So I'm going to take my apples, I'm going to add them to the base of a crumble dish and give it a little pat down so that it's all nice and even at the bottom. Sprinkle the last bits of the crumble over the top of the apple. Give the dish a little shake just to make sure it's all nice and even, and then that's ready to pop in the oven for about 20 minutes. And here is the apple crumble straight out of the oven.